Hola, welcome to Martin's Television Cribs. This is our casa in Gomera. Look up. Yeah. This is the part where the ride will be. But the ride isn't here. We got that too much cerveza yesterday, so the ride is still over there. Pick it up. You see, they have a nice entrance. Keep walking, no walking. We're still on there. Flowers. Oh, and the mountains. And the bugs. There it is, the casa. It's the front area. Where you can chill. And the view of the ocean. Tenerife is back there. You can see it now. And it's all bananas. Walk around the house. Because we have some more garden. Second chill area. Doing the dirty laundry. And the palm tree. Big enough, you think? So as you can see, no neighbors. Peace. This is where all our pets live. The lizards. Maybe you can catch one. There's one. Hey, gecko. What's up? Having a lot of fun here. I don't know why. I don't understand geckos. You can keep going on. Little birdhouse. Never saw a bird though. Keeps going on and on and on. Blank. I want to put a soccer field in here. With some palm trees for the goal. And do some rock climbing in the morning. Nice, eh? Let's go inside. Oh wait. We have all the comfort we need here. Washing and drying, all in the back. Hey, a boiler. Didn't notice that yet. Let's lock this place up. What is it, señorita? You see, it's like March 6th today. Like 23 degrees. In the sun, like 25. Can't stop looking at the view, huh? It's great. This is the living area. A bit dark. Oh no, it isn't. You chill out at night. Watch some TV, listen to the music. It's a little heater, but you don't really need it. That's why it's small like this. Here we get breakfast and dinner. But we didn't have dinner yet here. And we were so happy to see we had a dishwasher. Room enough to do your cooking thing. All automatico. My Spanish friends say. Coffee, always good. And the fridge. You want to see what's in the fridge? We're leaving today, so it's almost empty. It was filled up with beer and food, but it's finished. Now double think. No fighting over there. Hola. Nice little toilet and a shower. Some kind of Broadway toy thing going on there. Ooh, dark there. The guest room. There's another guest room back there. We don't have the key. You can open the whole house up, as you can tell, to see the view again. And this is how they say where all the action happens. But not now, because the señorita is sleeping. Señorita has a hangover.